Welcome to part 3 of 9-box grid dashboard. In this video, we are finally moving from just sharing numbers to analysis and key insights. Let's see what our data is actually telling. In last two videos, we have seen how many employees are in each of the grids of the 9-box grid. Like here for high performance and high potential, we have 14 employees. Next, we saw how we can automatically map the names over here using the filter formula. Now, we want to analyze the data. For example, let's check how many employees were high potentials or star category last year but are not this year. These are the employees you want to focus on because something has changed. Maybe a role where they are struggling or just taking time adjusting to, or they are in the same role but there is a performance dip. Is there something deeper that we as an HR want to get into? Let's try and identify these employees with the filter formula. We had used filter formula in our last video as well. Let's go to new sheet 3. I have kept the template ready. Let's get into the formula. Equals to filter. Array means what is the data that we want to export over here. We go to data set and we select columns from employee code till potential 2024, comma. Now we want to include. Here we need 4 conditions. First condition is where performance for 2024 is equals to 3. This is our first condition. Let's have brackets over here. As explained in the last video, asterisk is something that we use when we want to apply the AND condition. So we want to check potential for 2024 should also be equal to 3. Again, we will have asterisk. Now we want to check either performance or potential should not be equal to 3. So we select performance for current year is not equal to 3. This operator that we see over here, which is less than and greater than symbol, if we combine both of this becomes the not operation, which means it will check for all the conditions or all the values where number is not is equals to 3. And then we will add plus. This time we are not adding asterisk, we are adding the add or plus symbol. This is our OR operator. So it will check for condition either this one or the next one that we write over here, which is potential is not equal to 3. So it will return all of those cells where either the performance or the potential is not equals to 3. Let's look at the values. In our data, 2 names show up, Arjun and Quinn. These are the employees whose change in rating needs attention. These are some of the important questions to be asked. Is the person in a new role? Are they facing any difficulties? Has their manager changed? Are expectations unclear? These insights help take HR and manager take action early. Next, let's compare the grids for 2024 and 2025. Because is there a trend that we need to check? Is there a big difference between any of these categories as compared to last year and this year? We want to check, are more people moving up or they are moving down? These could be some of the interesting insights to look at and get deeper into data. To get the data for comparison, we will again use the COUNTIFS formula, which we have used in our previous videos as well. So let's go to the formula directly. COUNTIFS criteria range 1. So we are looking for HH or where performance and potential rating is 3. So we go to 2024 and we select performance 2024, comma. Now either you can type 3 or if you want formula to be more dynamic, you can use left formula. Left. We select the cell above and we write 1, which means I want to pick up the first leftmost character or the number, comma. We go to potential, comma. Again, we can either write 3 or we can use the right formula. Select the same cell, comma 1. So this will return the rightmost number or character. So we have got 15 over here. That means in 2024, we had 15 employees who were starred or HiPos. Let's do it one more time for 2025. Equals to COUNTIFS. We go to data set. We select performance, comma. This time we will do it directly. 3, comma, potential, comma, 3. And we have 14. So the numbers are quite similar. It is not showing any specific trend as such. This will help you understand year-on-year movement across each of the 9 boxes. So with filter and COUNTIFS, we can do powerful talent movement analysis. Who moved up or down? Who needs support? Which box changed the most? How leadership pipelines are shifting year on year. This is where the 9-box grid becomes more than a visual tool. It becomes a decision-making dashboard for HR and managers. That's it for this video, and with this we complete our 3-part journey into the 9-box grid dashboard. I would really love to know your views, which insights stood out for you and what HR dashboard should I create next. If my content helps you in your HR journey, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye for now, and until then keep learning and keep exploring.